Good morning and Jai Hind, dear students and friends. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 7, formatting a presentation. So basically, before starting this part, I would like to welcome you all in eGanic channel. Today we are going to learn formatting a presentation. In this chapter, we use the formatting of a slide, master slide, by using various features of PowerPoint. So without taking much of time, I would like to start both Hindi as well as English language to make you clear while doing the practical. So without taking much of time, let's start. So first we click on start button, then all programs, then Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. So as we click on it, we can see we have a window of Microsoft PowerPoint, and at the top of this window you can see the name of this application, that is called presentation 1 Microsoft PowerPoint. It has also 3 buttons: minimize, maximize and close button. Along with that, at the left side we can see the save button and office button, which has various command which we can use while editing or modifying our presentation. So without taking much of time, let's start. First we'll talk about formatting. What does it mean by formatting? So formatting means to changing the appearance of the text. Even you can change the appearance of a slide by changing the font face, font color, slide placeholder, after that objects, then position of the text, styles of the bullets, background images and color schemes. So in this term we will learn and do the practical by using Slide Master. So let's start working with the Slide Master. So what is Slide Master basically? So Slide Master is an element of a template that stores information including font, style, placeholder, sizes, position of text and objects, bullet style, बैकग्राउंड, डिज़ाइन एंड कलर स्कीम. इतनी सारी चीज़ें जो है एक स्लाइड मास्टर के ऊपर होल्ड होता है, स्लाइड मास्टर कंटेन करता है. Not only that, Slide Master sets the default layout and formatting for all the slides. It actually controls the entire presentation. Any changes made in the Slide Master page, automatically it will reflect on every slide in the presentation. So Slide Master is very important while doing the formatting in a presentation. So Slide Master consists of 2 placeholder. The first one is slide title placeholder and the second one is body text placeholder. So let's go with the practical. Click on insert, then see the different types of theme. To access Slide Master we use view tab and then click on Slide Master, and see in a Slide Master we had first slide. See, this is Slide Master. In the beginning we can set, click here to set slide master title. We just use this one. So basically whatever you want to add on a title, you must add the title. If you want to change the background color, you can apply the background color. See, when you click on background, format background, you can see the various types of backgrounds: solid filled, gradient filled, picture and textures. Different types of texture you can find here. If you want to apply from clip art, you may use from clip art to apply. If you click on apply, transparency you can also set. See, position, top, bottom, right, left, and if you click on apply all, it will apply to all the slide. And then after, if you want to put the footer of the slide, if you want to put the footer page number, if you want to insert the page number, or that is called slide number, you can click on it. You will see the slide number by default when you come to the normal slide, that is normal view. And then if you want to put some message, you must write some message that the time is very important. Time is important. So it will reflect on every slide when you view the master slide. Let's change the color, or let's view the slide master. Then after applying all these formatting, if you want to apply, now we will change the style of the font and its size, color. So let's click on the start button for it, and then click on home tab. Click on home tab, then click on font to group and change the font face, font shadow, bold or italic, and the color of that font, whatever the color you want, it's up to you. See, I want just that the font style will be like this. And then after color, then after we will just click on in the next video. You will learn how to create a new custom layout or new layout. So till today you have to watch this video, and please do like, share and subscribe. Jai Hind, have a good day.